English for Beginners. Hello everyone. We are a channel specializing in stories and conversations in English. Our first mission is to make learning English easy and fun. I hope you like our channel. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates. Maya stood on the bustling streets of London, her heart pounding with excitement and nerves. She had dreamt of visiting Paris for as long as she could remember, and today that dream was finally coming true. With her backpack slung over her shoulder and a map of Paris clutched in her hand, she made her way to the train station. As she boarded the Eurostar, Maya's anticipation grew. She found her seat by the window and watched as the English countryside whizzed by. Thoughts of the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and the charming streets of Montmartre danced through her mind. The train journey passed quickly, and before she knew it, Maya found herself stepping off the train onto the platform at Gare du Nord. The hustle and bustle of Paris greeted her, and she took a deep breath, inhaling the scent of croissants and coffee that filled the air. With her map in hand, Maya navigated the streets of Paris, marveling at the beauty of the architecture and the energy of the city. She wandered through the narrow cobblestone streets of the Marais, explored the bohemian shops of Saint-Germain-des-Prés, and strolled along the Seine, taking in the sight of the iconic landmarks that lined its banks. As the day turned to evening, Maya found herself standing in front of the illuminated Eiffel Tower, its golden lights twinkling against the night sky. She felt a sense of awe wash over her as she realized that she was finally living her dream. Over the next few days, Maya immersed herself in everything that Paris had to offer. She visited world-renowned museums, dined on delicious French cuisine, and wandered through charming neighborhoods, soaking in the unique atmosphere of each one. But more than anything, Maya cherished the moments of quiet reflection as she sat in a sidewalk cafe, sipping espresso and watching the world go by. In those moments, she felt grateful for the opportunity to experience the magic of Paris, and knew that this journey would stay with her forever.